The subject in a sentence indicates who or what the sentence is about. Identifying it is crucial for ensuring correct subject-verb agreement, which is essential for clear and effective writing. Understanding this concept helps in constructing grammatically accurate sentences. In imperative sentences, the subject is typically implied and not explicitly stated. The understood subject is always you. For example, in the command, "Open the lab," the subject is "you open the lab." This understanding is crucial for correct interpretation and execution of commands. In sentences, the subject is never within a prepositional phrase. For example, in "The computers in the lab are open," computers is the subject, while "in the lab" is the prepositional phrase. This distinction helps avoid confusion when identifying the subject for proper subject-verb agreement. Subject-verb agreement is crucial for clarity. A singular subject requires a singular verb, as in, "The instructor is here." Conversely, a plural subject needs a plural verb, like, "The computers are open." Ensuring this agreement helps maintain grammatical accuracy and prevents confusion in sentence structure. Inverted sentences place the subject after the verb. This occurs in three main cases. Interrogative sentences like, "Is the lab open?" where lab is the subject. Sentences with a phrase first, such as, "In the lab are computers," with computers as the subject. And sentences starting with here or there, like "Here comes the instructor," where instructor is the subject. Identifying subjects in sentences is crucial for understanding structure. In "The computers are open," the subject is computers. For "In the lab are computers," the subject is computers. In "Here comes the instructor," the subject is instructor. Lastly, in "Is the lab open?" the subject is lab. Rewriting sentences to place the subject before the verb enhances clarity. For example, "In the lab are computers" becomes "Computers are in the lab." Similarly, "Here comes the instructor" transforms into "The instructor comes here." This structure helps in clearly identifying the subject, improving sentence comprehension. The subject of a sentence indicates who or what the sentence is about. Subjects are never found in prepositional phrases. For homework, complete the exercises on identifying and rewriting subjects in your workbook.